Alrighty, so I'm Rachel K. For this video, we're going to identify the EKG 12-lead electrode placement. Can you go ahead and introduce yourself?
I'm Christopher K.
Date of birth?
4/29/1998.
Okay, so what we're going to do today is something called an EKG. With that, we are going to test for the heart rate, the rhythm, and check for your T waves and S waves and everything like that involving your EKG. So the first thing that I'm going to do is wash my hands. I'll put this down. Wash my hands, assemble the supplies, which is going to be our 12-lead placement stickers. For this, the first EKG placement, which is V1, you're going to want to do the first we're going to do the arms, which is the left forearm or wrist. So we're going to do your forearm, left wrist, and then we're going to follow it up with the one on his right wrist. And then you're going to put one on the left ankle, which I'll show you that one in a second just because you can't see it in the video. And then we're going to do the right ankle as well. I'm going to place it right there so we can get the reading on that. Now the ones that go on the chest, the first one is going to be the fourth intercostal space right sternum edge. So that's going to be right on this side right here. So you want to make sure it goes right there. The other one is going to be the fourth intercostal space on the left sternal edge, so that will be right there. Now, the other one, which is V3, is going to go in between V2 and V4. Well, actually, excuse me. The next one you want to have is the midway between V2, V4, yes, excuse me, right below the nipple. And then the next one is going to be the fifth intercostal space at the mid-clavicular line, which is right here. So you want to place that there. And by the way, his nipple is right here. Right there. And then the next one is going to be fifth intercostal space or the anterior axillary line, straight in line with the other one. So that'll be right here. And then V6 is the mid-axillary line in straight line with V4 and V5 as well. So that one is going to go right under his underarm, right here, in line with the other ones. If you could turn to show the camera the ones on your shirt. Alright. And so this is where we connect the electrodes to his stickers. So you want to do the right wrist, the left wrist, the right ankle, left ankle, and then you want to start on the chest with V1, V2, V3, 4, 5, and 6. And then once all that's done, you're going to remove all of your electrodes. For this, we did it with his t-shirt because that's what the instructions said to do. Typically, when you do the ones on the legs or the arm, especially with men, you want to shave the area as the electrodes will not stick that properly. So you're going to throw away the electrodes, and then after you are done, you're going to wash your hands and then escort the patient to the waiting room.